Looking to cook that perfect pork crackle on your Weber Q1200n? Then this is the video for you. Don't forget, everything used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi Weber fans, welcome back to the channel. Now for those of you that have just bought the Weber Q1200n, best way to check out this barbecue and see how good it is to cook a pork crackle on there. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different to get this pork crackle nice and crispy. Let's jump in and get it started. Well, so what we've got is a 2.5 kilo pork shoulder joint. Now this is from your local supermarket, so just from Coles, no special effects coming from your local butcher. It's pre-scored in the package as it came from Coles. So what we're going to do is dry it off with some paper towel first. What you want to do is pat that as dry as possible, get all the moisture out of that skin. All right, so make sure that's totally dry. And then what we're going to do is pop this in the fridge for an hour or overnight. So for this, we'll pop it in overnight and let it dry out a little bit more in that fridge. Now, pork shoulder's been in the fridge overnight. You can leave it for just a minimum of an hour, but I find leaving it overnight works a lot better with this process. Now, before we get out and start giving the final touches to get that crackle going, we're going to get this Weber Q1200 lit, preheated, and we'll start preparing our pork. Now pork's got on, we've got the Weber on high, we're going to leave that for a minimum of an hour to get that crackle going, and then we'll reduce the temperature down for the final cook. Using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best way to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. As you can see, that pork crackle came out superb. Real great crunch to it. The pork came out really moist. Took about 2.5 hours to cook a 2.5 kilo roast pork on that Weber Q. The only gripe I've got so far with that Weber Q is those side tables. You may have seen when I first put the roast on there, they did dip a bit. I will be doing a follow-up review on these. Well, so enjoy the video. Happy grilling, and I'll catch you in the next one.